beautiful people, welcome back to, oh my god, I feel like my face is like, you know when you first wake up you just need to like stretch your face, like get it loosened up and ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. What's up beautiful people, welcome back to another video, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited about this video, and the reason is, let me actually put my phone on silent first and try to be a true YouTuber. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a lipstick brand that I am just like, girl, I found them on Instagram I think, or maybe it was even through Face Over Matter, but I saw it, and pretty much for me, like, I love a good lipstick. I'm always looking for a good nude lipstick, and it's so hard sometimes. Like, some of the lipsticks I've tried have made me look like an actual crackhead in downtown Akron. Some of them have made me look like I've passed, you know, like so gray. Like, it's so hard sometimes as a black woman to find the nude that looks so good on your skin. And then I found this company, Mented Cosmetics, and girl, like, first of all, y'all probably know that I am a stan for black owned companies, and this is a company ran by 2 black women. Like, that is so fire, that is so inspirational. So I was like already like, okay, well, let's see what this is about. And then when I saw like review videos on how creamy it was, on how the colors, like they're reds, they're nudes, like it's just like the perfect, like there's one nude in particular that I've been looking for, and I found it on mentedcosmetics.com. So pretty much I actually bought these products. They weren't sent to me. I mean, wouldn't that be amazing? Won't he do it though? These products weren't sent to me. I got on their website myself. I paid my coins and I got the product, you know, shipped to me, whatever, and here we are. So I wanted to do a review on it just to show you guys what it looks like. I've tried one of them and I'm absolutely in love. I know I should have gotten the lip liners and I didn't. I just got 2 lipsticks because I wanted to like see what they were about. It was a Black Friday sale, so I actually paid a pretty good price for them. Not that they're expensive in the first place. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I ordered 2 lipsticks. It's really cool. I actually want to show you guys. Well, first I'll tell you a little bit about the company. I put it up on my phone. It's 2 women, KJ Miller and Amanda E. Johnson, and they created this company called Mented Cosmetics. And it says, one night over a glass of Pinot Grigio, you know I'm a wine girl as well, we sat down and asked ourselves, why is it so hard to find the perfect nude lipstick?
And honestly, that's what I ask myself every freaking day.
That conversation sparked an idea, and that idea became the brand we are building today. We created Mented Cosmetics because we believe every woman should be able to find herself in the world of beauty. We know you'll love being put first because when it comes to beauty, no one deserves to be an afterthought. Can we say it a little bit louder for the people in the back? No one deserves to be an afterthought. So like I said, before even trying the lipsticks, I'm absolutely in love with their brand, what they're standing for, all of this stuff. So let's get on into it. So when I ordered the package, it actually literally, I ordered it one day. It was shipped, I think, that same day. I believe it was shipped that same day, and I got it like a few days later. So I was so happy about that. It came in just a box. On the inside, it actually has, it says Mented as well right here. It's a cute box on the inside. So I'm thinking, should I use a lip pencil? I think I should. Hold on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be using a Kiko Milano lip pencil just because it's all I have. That needs to be sharpened. Mented Cosmetics does actually have lip pencils that they sell. I didn't get any. I don't know why I didn't get any. I was a bit in a haze on Black Friday, just spending all of my money. Let's start off first with the lip shade Foxy Brown. That's what the box looks like. I'm just gonna pull it out of the box, and it's so freaking cute. Look how sleek this packaging is. That's so cute. This is what it looks like when you twist it out. That is such a cute color. I guess I can swatch it for you guys. That's what it looks like. I love that So I wanted a brown that had like an orangish undertone, kind of, not undertone, I just wanted it to look a little bit orangish because I absolutely love that on melanin. Let's just go in. I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil. It's not even the same color. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. Hi, how are you doing? Yes, all of my flaws. So let's start putting on this lipstick. So this is what the first lipstick looks like. I always talk so weird trying not to get it on my teeth. This is a Foxy Brown. I don't know if you could tell when I was putting it on, but oh my gosh, it literally goes on like butter. It feels so good. I've worn this lipstick once, this specific one. When I first opened it, I couldn't wait. But it goes on so buttery, but it actually dries like a matte lipstick. So it's not going to stay super like movable like this for all day. Oh my gosh. I mean, but it literally moisturizes your lips. It doesn't go on like a dry, you know, I've had matte lipsticks that I really love, but they dry my lips out. This is like, literally it feels like there's like juices and berries, oils, shea butters, things like that in this lipstick that's making it so freaking smooth. Oh my gosh, it feels like I just put on a chapstick. So what I love about this is the fact that it's like a brown, but it's not too dark. It's literally like, to me it's like an orangish brown. So I really love this one. I feel like it's gonna be my favorite. I don't know. When I saw this next one on the model, I was like, girl. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you guys. So what I absolutely loved about this site and how I know that they really are trying to help us women of color, brown women, black women, even white women with finding our perfect shade is this. Hold on. So if you go to their website, you literally they show you their semi-matte collection. So this is a semi-matte lipstick, and if you look at it, with every color they give you it on a different skin tone. So if you actually look at their site, you'll see that sometimes a color that looks, so even a color like this on me may look this way, but on, yeah, like I'm actually looking at Foxy Brown right now. So on a person of my skin tone, yes, it looks more of like a brownish orange. But when I'm looking at someone of a light skin tone on this very chart, it's a very dark brown. And that's so important because I've seen colors at the store where I'm like, oh, perfect, it's a dark brown. And then I put it on and I'm like, excuse me? So the next lipstick shade that I got in the last one, I'm so sad. I would love to literally buy their whole collection, but I'm a college student. The next one is called Pretty in Pink. So once again, it looks like this cute, really sleek lipstick. There's the color on the back. Open it up. Oh, look at that. Wait, I know I'm scared, but I've seen it online. I've seen it on the models, and I'm having faith because this is a color that is like terrifying, I feel like, for black women. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. There you go. I'm really excited and really nervous all in one. Okay. Yikes. Okay, so this is the next color. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, let's look up this shade on here. This shade is called Pretty in Pink, and I should have known. Okay, so this is what it looks like on a darker woman. This is what it looks like on the next up, and this is what it looks like on me. So as it dries, I actually start to like it a little bit more. I will say it's just a little bit light. Like, I don't know how I feel about this one. How do you guys feel about it? I don't know. Once again, it went on so beautifully as far as like the formula. It feels so smooth on me, but let's just give a close-up so you guys can actually like see. Okay, so as it dries, I feel like I can accept it more on my face. So I will admit, this is a color that I feel like I need time to get used to. This is a color that a lot of black women sometimes feel like it makes us look a little ashy or something. But actually, like, I feel like looking in the mirror, it looks different. Because in the mirror, it looks more like a darker pink, like a redder pink, and on here it looks a little bit lighter, but I actually kind of like it. This is a little bit lighter than what I'm used to. It's a little bit of a light pink for me, but I feel like this is one of the lipsticks that has a bit of a stigma around it, and you know, kind of we look at ourselves a little bit differently when we wear it. But it also depends on the type of lip liner that you get, because I know that I've used colors like this and I've used a darker lip liner, and it definitely like blends it more into your skin. You can blend it more out a little bit, but it definitely is lighter. I don't know, what do you guys think? Definitely leave a comment down below on what you guys think about this color specifically, because I can't tell, like, in some lights I'm like, ooh, I like it. I like this pink. When I saw it online, I was like, let's go for it. Let's just do it, because I'm always like so weird about those colors. And this is the company, if I ever try that color, that I would try it with. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you really quick this lip, because I actually mixed them and wanted to see what they look like. Kind of cute, huh? I'm sure they have a color with this exact shade. So like I said, this color on my lips right now is a combination of the two. So I actually think it's kind of cute. Hey! Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this review as much as I did. I absolutely love this company. They have so many shades, and I feel like they're just starting as far as like how big they're probably going to get. Their formula is amazing. The price point is good as well. I absolutely love this company, and of course it doesn't hurt that it's a black owned company, and I'm always going to support black owned companies as well as others, but you know, just give a little extra love to those just like me and those who are working to make girls like me feel included and feel important in the beauty industry. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Your action item for this video is let me know how you felt about the pretty in pink on my skin tone. I just want to know. I want to know, you know, I just want to know. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!